Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on Sharp Smart TV. To do this, first we'll need to enter your settings in the top right corner of our screen. Then go down to the device preferences. First option is about, we need to enter it. Then there's a factory reset, click on it and now just confirm it. Delete everything. And after that your TV should start a factory reset. When it's finished, you'll be met with a first setup screen. And here we have it, our factory reset is finished. And that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.